Hello, today we're doing the timing belt on the diesel Vectra, so let's see how that goes. So, on the crank pulley, you have 4 bolts in here, and they're these RIBE bits. So this one you need a M9 RIBE bit for. And obviously, if you turn it, it'll just crank the engine over. So what I did is I just put the bit in, and I just sort of tapped the ratchet down over so not to turn the engine, and it just cracked it. It's not torqued up very much, and then just back it off, and I got them all out. Okay, so we have the tool in. What I did is 19mm socket, crank the engine over. This did one full rotation, and now it's locked, and you can see it matches up, and I heard the spring loudly ting out, so it's definitely locked. So that's top dead center. So I've replaced the water pump and the idler pulley. So that was 50 Newton meters and these were 25. So I fitted the tensioner. You can see the little arrow just down here lines up with the hole, so it's set. To do that, let me have a look. There you go. Put this little bolt from the old tensioner in here. Put a screwdriver in here. There's like a little lip at the bottom. You lever it and you can lever it back and forward and line that arrow with that hole, and then tighten it up here. And that's it. I'll show you. So you lever it up against this. Make sure the little dowel part is located in here. And then as you lever it with this arrow here, once it lines up with that hole, then with the other hand tighten it up here. It's a 12mm socket. I've cranked it over like 4 times now, and it goes all the way around smoothly, so looks good. All back together now. Moment of truth. Nice.